Ushindi wa bahari, nyimbo ya furaha.
Hi! In this tutorial, we will generate our first track together and learn how to use the Creative AI agent to plan music and write lyrics. Let's open the Creative Music agent. On the left, you can see the caption section. This contains the musical instructions and lyrics that will guide the generation. You can complete these fields manually, but the Creative AI agent can prepare everything for you from a simple idea. Before we begin, let's quickly look at the agent settings. You can select different Creative AI models from the Model menu. Smaller models require fewer system resources and are often faster. Larger models may provide stronger planning and writing, but they also require more VRAM, memory, and storage space. Choose the model that works best with your computer. You can also select a reasoning level. This controls how much thinking the agent applies to your request. For a simple caption, a lower level may be enough. For a complete song with detailed lyrics and structure, I recommend using a higher reasoning level. Now let's create our track. I will ask the agent to make a Sunset Afro House song using this prompt. Next, choose the desired lyrics length and select the right language from the language menu. Now, let the agent plan the track. When it finishes, you can edit the caption and lyrics manually, or simply ask the agent to make changes. Once you are happy with the plan, move to the Creation tab on the right. This is where you generate music, create covers, separate stems, and access additional production tools. Demodokos automatically installs a music model suitable for your hardware. If your computer has enough VRAM and storage space, you can download additional models from the package manager. More powerful models may offer better quality or faster generation, depending on your GPU. Let's generate two versions at the same time. This gives us two different results to compare and choose from. With the Pro license, you can generate up to 8 tracks at the same time.
Nyimbo ya furaha. Nyimbo ya furaha.
From here, we can continue adjusting the caption, changing the lyrics, or asking the Creative AI agent to create a different variation. Here are a few useful tips. When you want music without vocals or lyrics, enable the instrumental option. This tells the agent to create an instrumental track. When generating lyrics in a language other than English, mention the language in your prompt and select the same language from the menu. This gives the agent clearer instructions. If you are not satisfied with the caption or lyrics, try another Creative AI model, increase the reasoning level, or adjust the context size. Context size controls how much information the agent can consider while working on your request. You can also adjust the music generation settings in the Creation tab. Prompt strength controls how closely the generated track follows your caption. A higher value follows your instructions more strictly, while a lower value gives the model more creative freedom. Steps control how many refinement passes the model uses during generation. More steps can improve detail and consistency, but they also increase generation time. We will explore these settings and other advanced features in the written tutorial. Now it is your turn. Open Demodokos, describe the music you want to create, and see what the Creative AI agent can make for you. Subscribe for more Demodokos tutorials.
Miguu mitupu inacheza na mawimbi ya bahari. Ukimwagaji wanga unatufungulia njia. Kila hatua ina nguvu ya moyo wangu. Mwanga unakuja na kufa inatufanya tuzunguke. Tunacheza chini ya jua la jioni, mwaka wa pamoja unatufungua. Pumua huru, tumekata katikati, ushindi wa bahari, nyimbo ya furaha.